Hello, this is an automation for extracting different values from different checks from different banks and fetching those values in an Excel sheet. First of all, I use double click on coordinate. By using it, I am clicking on this folder which contains all the checks. Then it will take a screenshot, and using Google Cloud OCR, it will extract the total item numbers, that is the total number of PDFs which are there in that folder. After this, I am using this count is equal to 1 variable, and using this click on coordinate, I am clicking on the first PDF. I am using this if then condition here for entering in a loop, and for ending the loop, I am using this user notification which is done here. By using get element value, we can get the name of the banks, that is Axis or ICICI, by the file names. Then we use text found here for matching the bank names with Axis Bank or ICICI Bank. For Axis Bank, ICICI Bank, and for PNB banks, we have to use different formats and different Google Cloud OCR, as the alignment of the checks from different banks will be different. So by using this send hotkey, we will enter into the PDF. The PDF will open. It will capture a screenshot, and using Google Cloud OCR and recognition template, it will capture all the values from the check and then input all those values in the Excel sheet. And by this click on coordinate, it will close that particular PDF file. Then we use this increment for the loop and this arrow down send hotkey. By using this, we can move forward to the next PDF file. The same process is followed for the different banks, ICICI, PNB, and all that. If there is no matches, then it will send the user notification, no match here. Now let's run the bot. Opens the folder. Clicking on the first check. Capturing data from this. Now closing the file. Move to the next one. And capturing values from this PDF. Now for the third one. Finally for the last one. It's done. As you can see, the bot finished successfully here. Now I will open this Excel sheet. Yes, name, bank names, account numbers, amount in words, amounts, and debts. So that's all for my POC. Thank you.